Dealers, GMs, internet directors, BDC directors, automotive sales professionals, get ready. The Internet Sales 20 Group 11 is coming to beautiful Miami, Florida, June 11th, 12th, and 13th at the Trump International Beach Resorts. And this is going to be the biggest and most powerful 3-day conference that we've ever thrown. As a matter of fact, our theme is, because it's Miami, it's heat up your sales. So we're going to focus on selling more cars more often and more profitably from all your profit centers. Folks, I'm going to tell you this right now. We have some of the top speakers in the entire industry. For example, we've got Jonathan Dawson from Cellcology. We've got Shaka Dyson from F&I University. But in addition to the subject matter national trainers, we also have actual practitioners. I will have dealer principals speaking and presenting. I will have general managers speaking and presenting. As a matter of fact, I've got Tony Ann Fardette of the Atlantic Auto Group. It's a $1.1 billion dealer group. She is the BDC director for all 24 stores. They sell 5,600 units a month. You know how much you can learn from her? It's gonna be amazing. But in addition to our elite speakers and panelists, we're gonna have roundtables. We're gonna have a King of the Ring objection and rebuttal challenge. This is our second annual King of the Ring. Look at YouTube, it was insane last time. And then we have the best, and when I say the best, subject matter experts from all of the different powerful companies, from Auto Bytel, from TrueCar, from Cars Direct. We've got Co-Video. They are the best to ever do it for video emails, video text messaging, video social media, video. Then we've got Digisphere for social media, search engine optimization, online reputation. Whew. We've got so many people, I can't list them in here. You have to go through the website. What I will tell you is this. It is a powerful 3-day training workshop with over 26 speakers and panelists. We've got roundtables, we've got the King of the Ring, we've got synergy, we got networking. We're gonna have a rock star VIP party in Miami. Woof. And then on top of that, we have what makes us unique and special, composites. The first 20 dealers that attend, guess what? They will turn around and get a free composite that goes over 8 major KPIs. So what we do is, for 6 weeks before the event, we analyze 20 different of the dealer attendees and we composite them, and then we're gonna be able to talk about it. On top of all of this, when I tell you that there is such immersion and interaction, this is not a typical workshop where you just hear somebody lecture and preach and then ask some questions. There's so much interaction from dealer to dealer, from the stage to the audience, from the audience to the audience. If you want to turn around and learn, truly learn, you're gonna have the most powerful instructional design and curriculum. We're gonna focus on everything from digital marketing and internet, like online reputation, internet sales. We're gonna have phone sales. We're gonna have social media, websites, SEO, and all of that stuff. But we're also gonna talk about actual operations. Internet sales department operations, business development center operations, showroom sales operations, and how to turn around and synergize all of the above. Bottom line, if you want to sell more cars more often and more profitably, you have to attend the Internet Sales 20 Group 11 in Miami, Florida in June. And folks, please use this website. All throughout this website, click the buttons. We've got extreme details and we elaborate, and we also have videos to explain the different sections of the site. So I look forward to seeing you in Miami.